In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi R8 key fob. This will just take you a few minutes. The only thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. These are pretty inexpensive. You can find them online. If you're interested, go check out the first link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. Now to open this thing up, we just want to flip it over to the back. Look down here on the bottom where this keyring, the keyring attaches, and inside of there on the plastic, you can see there's an indentation. See right in there. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just gently pry back until the back piece of plastic starts to come off. Now inside of there, you can see the battery, and there is this hole to the side that's going to help us to pry the battery out. My flathead screwdriver is a little large. So I'm just going to use something smaller. I'm going to use this precision screwdriver, and if you have a tool that can fit in there, it just comes right out. You could use something like a paper clip, just anything that can get under the battery and help you to pry it out. If you don't seem to have anything lying around and you'd like to get something like this, I will also put this in the description. This is what I use. It's just a little set of precision screwdrivers that is pretty inexpensive, and that will be in the description from Amazon as well. But all we want is something just to pry the battery out. And from here, all we need to do is take our new battery, make sure that the positive side is facing up, and just slide it into place and click down. There we go. All we need to do now is put the back on there, snap it down into place. You can make sure that the light is turning on, and if it is, you are good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.